Hello, in this video we are going to review how to capture your screen using Kaltura Capture. The problem I was having was finding Kaltura Capture, and it's over here on the left hand panel of your canvas under the My Media, which is actually accessible by all of your classes. So you first have to click on My Media, that's on the left hand panel here. Then you will need to add New. And if Kaltura Capture is not here, well, I'm going to click Kaltura Capture. If any point along the way here, Kaltura Capture is not available to you, then it will give you a prompt to download that software. So then I'm going to do New Recording. And I will have to, there might be some permissions that you have to allow in order to do the recording along the way. I'm going to go ahead and start recording. I am now recording my desktop here, so it will record the desktop that I selected. I will click stop recording, and I will say yes, stop. And then I would suggest that you go ahead. If you feel like you did a decent job, you can save it. Otherwise, you can delete it and you can start all over. You want to give it probably whatever assignment it is. Give it the assignment name that you've been working with. So that might help your instructor or follow your instructor's directions. And then you can click save and upload, and it will upload to your media gallery automatically. So it will save it, and then it'll say pending because it takes a little bit for it to upload. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Recording. I don't know if it will let me do this while the other one is uploading. It will. You also have the option here on the screen to select an area. So if you only want to select a certain area of your screen, you could also do that. And then you click Confirm, and then it will only capture that area of the screen. You do want to make sure that your audio is turned on. And you can use camera if you like. You don't have to when you make these recordings. And so that hopefully will get you started on using Kaltura Capture. I am now in a course that I know I want a video recording of the results, so I'm going to click on that assignment just to show you how you would upload this. I'm going to go into Student View, and what you will do is choose the text area. I'm going to do a new attempt. You choose the text submission button. You choose the extensions icon here and choose Kaltura Media. And then that video that you saved and uploaded is in your library. So if I go add from library, this is the one that I just did. I would choose embed, and it will add it directly into the assignment there. And that's the best way to do those videos. It makes it very easy for us to score and grade that way. Hopefully that helps you get started on the video submissions. Don't forget to submit.